Alright, to get the cartridge the way I did, I had to use this to file down to that point. So I had to lock it in like that. And then lock the car in. And then I had to get this to the position I wanted to, take down how much, a little bit at a time. And so I had to lock it to the point I wanted it. And then lock it. And this here, move the car up and down, so to where you want it to get it lined up. Then this, move it left and right to get it to the right spot. And then once you have it in the spot that you need it, you just move it left, or to the side you want it. You just take it straight a little bit at a time. That's all you do.
I chose this design because I thought that when my car goes down the track, like when it goes through here, the air will just make it like slide through. And I thought like instead of like having like real smooth, I just decided to have rectangles. Maybe the air wouldn't get clogged up in there as much with the small rectangles.
Okay, where's the black guy?
Block of wood, and then basically after they've used CAD to design and figure out how they want their car to look, then they come into the manufacturing lab and they basically make their dream a reality and racing it down the track with the CO2 cartridge.
How you started with your car?
Okay, so first we drew out ideas of what we wanted to do and what we wanted the design to look like.
And then we got those ideas from researching on the computer, different ways from different past CO2 car designs.
And then we picked one of them that we liked the most and drew it on a big piece of paper.
And we picked it by doing a decision matrix, and the categories on that were how easy it's going to be for you to make it and the time that it would take for you to make it. It's whatever idea would be best for you to make.
And then once we were finished drawing it out, we put it onto the computer with a program called CAD, where you draw on it, but it's on the computer, and then you can print it out.
And then once we did that, we were able to go in the manufacturing lab and cut out the general shape of our car, sand it, and paint it, and this is the finished product of our car. So for my car, I wanted something that was going to be easy and also it would go down the track really, really fast. So when I was doing research, I learned that curved surfaces make it go down faster and narrow edges right in here will make it go faster too. So then I had the curves to go from here and then all the way up here, so that way that the air pushing by would be able to fly past faster and then the car would be able to go faster too.
And then at the end of the track, when you first start, you have a CO2 cartridge that has a little covering over it, and then you hit something and a little needle thing, I guess, pokes the CO2 cartridge so that the air gets let out, and that's what makes your car go.